Hello, my name is Angela Patricia Castellanos. I am from Bogota. I am 43 years old. I am single. I am studying public accountancy at UNAT. I live in Swatch. I like mounting the bike, play with my dog and sleep. The main tourist places in Soacha are Park National Chicake is one resort ecologic. To the waterfall Tequendama, what is one Catarata Wonder, 57 meters. Herfir the main prehistoric, plus ancient of war. In addition, the beer from river, what have a ecosystem of my westland. The typical food is my city, fritanga, almojábanas, and the main celebration in my city are dance festival are the France, the 26th to the September, to the 2nd to the October, to the book 5 hour 59 the 22. In addition, the festival there's Al Sol and Moon. What is Paisac? Valores gastronomic, artisan and of cultural municipality from 17 to the 21 to December. And fanfare Christmas with the main year I materi at beside Colbot. In my city, there are many activities, tours, a cutter, beautiful hiking ecologic to the Humedal Tibanica, tour to the Park Chicake. Although in the park canoas, I come now a history archaeologic and man bicycle. These are near 1 kilometers of Bogota.